नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं वाचं ततो जयमुदीरयेत् जितं ते पुण्डरीकाक्ष नमस्ते विश्वभावन नमस्तेऽस्तु हृषीकेश महापुरुषपूर्वज सदक्षरं ब्रह्म य ईश्वरः पुमान् गुणोर्मि सृष्टिस्थितिकालसल्लयः प्रधानबुद्ध्यादिजगत्प्रपञ्चसूः सनोऽस्तु विष्णुर्मतिभूतिमुक्तिदः भक्ष्यत्यथ कल्पान्ते भूतानि यदवारितं त्वद्रूपं पुण्डरीकाक्ष तस्मै कालात्मने नमः संभक्ष्य सर्वभूतानि देवादीन्यविशेषतः नृत्यत्यन्ते च यद्रूपं तस्मै रुद्रात्मने नमः प्रवृत्त्या रजसो यच्च कर्मणां करणात्मकं जनार्दन नमस्तस्मै त्वद्रूपाय नरात्मने अष्टाविंशद्विधोपेतं यद्रूपं तामसं तव उन्मार्गगामि सर्वात्मन् तस्मै वश्यात्मने नमः. So the devas have assembled. Parashara has been giving Maitreya about the rules of a lakshana of a person who does not follow Vedas, and in that context he is going to give the story, the conversation between Vasishtha and Bhishma. To start off with that, he starts off from the Devasura Yuddham, wherein in that battle the Asuras were the Devas were defeated, and hence they went to Bhagavan on the Kshirabdi. The shores of the Kshirabdi, they were standing there and praising Bhagavan as the Rupam of everything. He is the base for everything. He is Kalam, he is Rudra. Kalatmane namaha atra bhutani kalpante bhakshayati. So Kala is the entity that completely devours everything at the all of the living beings at the end of a kalpa. The one who dances after having merged all of it, it is the Mahakalpa. So there he is of the form of Rudra also. And then Nara, Pashu, both of these forms are Bhagavad Rupameva. Naraha tu tatra Rajasa Pravrittaha Sanna Saha Karyam Karoti Tasmai Naratmane Namaha Ityuktam. So they are praising, and then the Idila Varamari Devi Mahatmyatla Varamari Namastasmai Namastasyai Chalrolya. In the same way here, Namastasmai Vaishyatmane Namaha Vashyatmane Namaha Vashyaha tu atra Pashuhu. Anybody is termed a pashu, an animal. He is equal to an animal if he does things which are detrimental to either the jnanendriya, karmendriya, or other siddhis that he could possibly achieve. And unmarga gami, one who does not follow the proper path. They further move into the other parts, other forms of Vishnu. Yajnanga bhutam yadrupam jagataha sthiti sadhanam vrikshadi bhedaihi shad bhedi tasmai mukhyatmane namaha. So mukhyatmane namaha, we bow to that person, that form who is mukhyam, who is the pradhana bhutam, mukhya or udbidrupam. You can take mukhya as udbidrupam. Udbid nama, there are 4 types of beings in this world. So the first one is Andaja, and then you have Svedaja, Yonija, Jarayuja. Jarayuja is actually, Jarayujam is that uterus, or that amniotic fluid is called Jara. So Jarayuja, one who has the protective covering and then is formed in the uterus, and then they are born, which is mammals. So that was Naratmane. Then you have Vashyatmane, which is Pashu, includes all of the Svedaja and Andaja, all of those. Now here it is Udbhidja. Svedaja is that which comes out of the sweat, like krimi, kita, ityadi. Then you have Andaja, that which is first born as an egg, and then it comes out of that. So reptiles and all that are included. Atra mukhyatmane iti udbhidatmane ityuktam. So which means that which breaks open and comes out. In other words, it refers to the trees and grains and everything, which is an angam for yaga. Using the grains, because the earth provides us all of these bounty, we use that bounty to offer havis to the devas, by which they will protect this world. So that entire process is being mentioned in the shloka. Yajna anga bhutam yat rupam. the Rupam, the form which is a part, anga of yagas. That is Udbhid Rupam. Jagataha Sthiti Sadhanam. It is also the tool to ensure that the world is well established. If the world order has to be established, there should be these growing of the crops, and those crops will be used for yagas. Yagas in turn please the devas, and the devas in turn provide benefits to the world. Hence, there is a stability to the world. So this Udbhid Rupam is the sadhanam, tool for jagataha, sthiti, for the firmness of this world, which is the vrikshadi bhedaihi yad bhedir iti pathantaram. So there is this division which is formed because of the divisions of vriksha, etc., tree, etc. So yat bhedi. If you take it as shad bhedi, then there are 6 different types of udbhid. Udbhid variety are 6. One is vriksha. Vriksha is a tree. Gulma, a bush which does not have branches, a tree that does not have branches. Lata is something that needs a support. Valli is also taken as similar, but in some cases it is taken as one that grows with branches, the other that is just rumba. So there are stronger creepers which have branches, which have stronger branches. That is Valli. Lata is usually the more softer one, which needs a tree or another support to grow. Twaksara is Twak eva saraha. The essence of the entire tree lies in its twak, in its bark. So nothing else is saram here. So the bamboo, you use the bamboo for everything. So or ikshu. Even sugarcane forms this kind of this comes under this category. Trinam, any kind of grass. These are the 6 varieties of udbhid. So tasmai mukhyatmane namaha. Tiryang manushya devadi vyoma shabdadikanchayat rupam tavadehe sarvasya tasmai sarvatmane namaha. Here he talks about the sukshmatma. Sarvasya adehe karanam tava rupam tava rupam yat sarvasya adehe vartate. Or sarvasya adehe tava yat rupam. Your form, you who are the first and foremost of everybody, whatever was the form of yours, as in the Vishwarupam. Sarvatmane namaha, one who is of that Vishwarupa, with the which is of the form of Tiryak, birds, Manushya, humans, the devas, Vyoma, Shabdadikancha, and the Sukshma Shariram is also included in it. Akasham, the Tanmatra, the Shabda Tanmatras, etc. All of those are also included in this. So you who are the first form, your form, which was the first form, which had all of these within it. We are still not in the Brahma Swarupa as yet. Okay. So after that only he talks about the Nirguna Swarupa. Until now, this is the Saguna Brahma Rupam is being said here, which is the Vishwarupa. So Tiryak Manushya Devadi Vyoma Shabdadikancha Yat Rupam, the form which contains all of these varieties of both the Sthula Rupa and the Sukshma Rupa. Tasmai Sarvatmane Namaha, we bow to that form which is Sarvatma, which is the Antaratma of everything, or that which has Sarvam Atmani Vartate iti Sarvatma, for whom everything is present, inside whom everything is present. Now he moves to the Nirguna Brahmam. Pradhana Buddhyadi Mayat Asheshat Yat Anyat Asmat Paramam Paratman Rupam Tavadyam Yad Ananyatulyam Tasmai Namah Karana Karanaya. Karanasyapi Karanaha Yaha Nirguna Brahma Vartate. Yat Nirguna Brahmam Vartate. Brahma Vartate. Tasmai Namaha iti. Karanasya Karanam. Karanam Nama Atra Maya. So Maya is your principal cause for everything. It is the primordial cause. So the cause for that Maya itself is Brahman, which is Nirguna Brahman. Pradhana Buddhyadi Mayat Asheshat Anya Asmat Yat Anyat Paramam Vartate Yat Ananyatulyam Tava Adyam Rupam Vartate Tasmai Karana Karanaya Namaha Anvayastu Evam. So Paratman, Hey Paratman, the Devas are addressing Paramatma here. Pradhanadi Mayat Asmat Rupat Anyat Param. So that which is Paramam, which is even more supreme, ultimate than this form that we see in front of us. Okay. So it is the form that we see in front of us, which is the Vishwam, the world, which is composed of Pradhana, Buddhyadi. So Pradhanam here is Maya, Buddhi Tattvam is Mahat Tattvam. You have to remember the Srishti Krama right now. So Asheshata, if you take all of those into account, so the first one was just Tiryak. If you look at the earlier shloka, this spoke about just the Sthula Sharira, and this spoke about the Sukshma Sharira. Now if you talk about this, this talks about the Karana Sharira. So Pradhanam is your Prakriti, Buddhi is Mahat Tattvam, Ityadi iti chet tatra Sattvika Ahankaraha, Tamasika Ahankaraha, Panchamaha Bhutani, all of those are going to fall into this. Starting from Pradhana, etc., this world is made up of all of this. So Asheshat, Asmat, Asmat ityukte, Asmat Vishwat, Paramam Yat Rupam Tava Vartate, the form that is superior to whatever we see in front of us, which is a product of Maya, etc. That form, which is Ananya Tulyam, which cannot be compared to anything else because nothing else existed. That ultimate form of Parabrahman, there is no second Brahman to compare. That is why it is Anya Tulyam na vidyate yasya iti. Yataha tatra ekavastu eva vartate iti karanat. So Karana Karanaya, we bow to that cause of all causes, which is the supreme entity. Shukladi Dirghadi Ghanadi Hinam Agocharam Yacha Visheshananam Shuddhati Shuddham Paramarshi Drishyam Rupaya Tasmai Bhagavan Natasmaha. Tasmai Rupaya He Bhagavan Vayam Nataha Smaha. We are ever, we bow down to you, O Lord, who is beyond, who is neither any Varna, Shukladi Guna Rahitaha, Nirgunaha, Dirghadi Parimana Rahitaha. Ghanadi, again Parimanam. Parimanam can be of either lengthwise, length, etc., or it can be Gurutvadi. Gurutvadi Rahitam. Okay, so the weight, it can be weight also. Ghanadi Heenam. So one who does not have any color, Varnadi Rahitaha, Rahitam Brahma, or the Rupam that does not have any colors, the Rupam that does not have any height, etc. Measurements are not there. There are no weight measurements also for it. Ghanadi Heenam. Yacha Visheshananam Agocharam, and that form which does not come within the perception of any qualities. That does not have any qualities that can be or attributes that can be attributed to its form. Shuddha Ati Shuddham Paramarshi Drishyam. Shuddhati Shuddham, it is the purest of all pure items. If you think of anything that is pure, which does not have Varna, which does not have Dirghatvadi Gunarahitam, or Ghanatvadi Gunarahitam, which does not come within the range of perceptions, you can think of Vayu, or you can think of Akasha also for that matter. To a certain extent, it will also come within this. But this is the purest of all those pure ones. Okay, Parama Rishi Drishyam, how can it be seen? Only the Parama Rishi, only the yogis can visualize this form in their mind. Antakarani. So Tasmai Rupaya Nataha Smaha, we bow down to that form. Yannaha Sharireshu Yad Anyadeheshu Ashesha Vastushu Ajam Akshayam Yat Yasmacha Na Anyat Vyatiriktamasti Brahmaswarupaya Natasma Tasmai. So this is where he brings in the word of Brahman. So Brahmaswarupaya Tasmai Nataha Smaha, we bow down to that Brahmaswarupa, which exists within our Shariram. That is the Devanam Sharireshu Yat Rupam Vidyate. So Brahman is the ultimate truth within the forms of the Devas also. Yat Anyadeheshu Api Vidyate, that which is existing in other forms also. Ashesha Vastushu, and in all of the Vastu, even in the objects that we see. We have seen, I think, in Bhagavatam or somewhere where Sridhara Swami mentions that even mountains have a Chaitanyam in them. It is just that that consciousness is not as evident as we see in other living beings. Okay? There are gradations in these forms that you see. So, Ashesha Vastushu, in all of the objects of the world, Ajam Akshayam Yat, that which is Ajam, that which is not born, and that which cannot be destroyed, which is the permanent Nitya Vastu Kim Vartate Sarveshu Jantushu Sarveshu Api Vastushu Yat Nityam Vastu Vartate Tadeva Brahma Iti. Yasmacha Anyat Vyatiriktam Nasti. There is nothing separate, distinct from this Brahma Swarupa, and we bow to that Brahma Swarupa, besides which there is nothing else. Sakalamidam Ajasya Yasya Rupam Parama Pada Padatmavataha Paramapada Atmavataha Sanatanasya. சொல்லுங்க.
இல்ல டிஸ்டர்பன்ஸ் இருக்கு, மேபி நெட் ஓகே இருக்கு,
ஓ
எல்லாரும்
சரியா இல்லையா? எனக்கு என்னமோ சரியா இருக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கு. மற்றவாளுக்கு எப்படி இருக்கு?
மேபி எனக்கு பிரச்சனை போல.
சரியா
ஓகே
இருக்கு.
ஓ ஓகே.
சரி ப்ரொசீட்.
சகலம் இதம் அஜஸ்ய யஸ்ய ரூபம் பரமபத ஆத்மவதः சனாதனஸ்ய தம் அநிதனம் அசேஷ பீஜபூதம் பிரபும் அமலம் பிரணதாஸ்ம வாசுதேவம். சகலமிதம் அஜஸ்ய யஸ்ய ரூபம் பரமபதாத்ம மீட்டர் மாறுறது அசேஷ வஸ்துஷ்வ அஜமா அக்ஷயம் எது அது வரைக்கும் இட் வாஸ் உபஜாதி ஆர் இந்திரவஜ்ரா உபேந்திரவஜ்ரா அந்த கேட்டகரியில் வருது. இது வந்து சகலமிதம் ரூபம் 12 பரமபதாத்மவத சனாதனஸ் 13 இது ஏதோ 12-13 அசமவிருத்தமாக வருது இந்த இடத்துல. सकलमिदम अजस्य यस्य और अर्ध समवृत्तम सकलमिदम अजस्य यस्य रूपम परमपदात्मवतः सनातनस्य तमनिधनम अनिधनमशेष बीजभूतं प्रभुममलं प्रणतास्म वासुदेवम. अजस्य परमपद आत्मवतः सनातनस्य यस्य इदं सकलं रूपम. So tasmai Vasudevam Amalam Prabhum Pranataha Smaha. So tam Vasudevam, we bow to that Vasudeva who is Amalam, who is the supreme person of all and who is the most purest of all. Purest ingarche anga tatra maya sambadha trigunaha tatra na sajjante iteva. So none of these things come and touch the Paramatma. He cannot be confined by gunas. So that is why he is Amalam. There is no mala or there is no avidya sambandha for him. Anidhanam, one who does not have a nidhanam, one who does not have a substratum for himself. So he because he is the substratum for everything else. And Paramapada Atmavataha, he is the Atma in its supreme state and Paramapadam. He is the Paramapadam, he is the ultimate goal for everybody. Paramapadam garche Vaikunthatmakaha saha iti. So Paramapadam, he is the Moksha Rupa Atmavan, one who is of the form of Atmaswarupa, which is equal to Moksha Bhava, which is the Paramapada, which is the ultimate position that any Jiva can attain. So Paramapada Atmavataha Sanatanasya, the one who is the most ancient, Ajasya, one who is doesn't have a birth, Janma Yasya na Vidyate, Nityasya cha, Moksha Rupasya, Atmanaha, Idam Sakalam Yat Rupam Vartate. All of this form that is there of him, it is such that has no nidhanam. It does not have a bijam, that is, it does not have any substratum to support it, because Ashesha Bija Bhutam, because this Brahman becomes the bijam for everything else. He becomes the seed for the creation to happen. Prabhum amalam pranatasma. So Prabhu, he is the sovereign, he is the controller of everybody, and amalam, he does not get attached with maya. Tadrisha vasudevam pranatasvaha. So vasudeva idula varum illaya, vasitam cha bhuvanatrayam vasudeva namastestu. And the one who vasanad vasudevasya, correct. Vasanad vasudevasya vasitam cha jagattrayam. The one who is existing, vasu அப்படினாலே vasu அப்படினா vasati iti. Sarveshu deveshu atmataya antaryamitaya yaha vasati iti sayeva vasu. Devaha nale divyati iti devaha. One who is the prakasha swarupa inside everybody. So one who resides inside everybody as the antaryatmi, and one who is the chaitanya swarupa, swayam prakasha swarupa. Anala Vasudeva does not refer to Vasudevasya apatyam puman, but it refers to the Parabrahma Swarupa, who is also present, who is the Atma, true nature of everybody. Sakalamidam ajasya yasya rupam paramapada atmavataha sanatanasya tam anidhanam ashesha bhuta bija bhutam prabhumamalam pranatasma Vasudevam. Shri Parashara uvacha स्तोत्रस्य च अवसाने ते ददृशुः परमेश्वरं शङ्खचक्र गदापाणिं गरुडस्थं सुराहरिं. Suraha, stotrasya avasane, at the end of the stotra, they were praising the ultimate Parabrahma, but because they were standing in the shores of Kshirabdi, and Vishnu is the Sthitikarta, they are asking for the Jagataha Sthiti, right? So they wanted a balance in the world. That is why they are, when they, even though they praised Brahman, still it was Vishnu who appeared. Yeah? And the present Prime Minister Madri. Past Prime Minister, future Prime Minister la angella. So Stotrasya avasane, at the end of the Stotra, te suraha, those devas, Parameshwaram, they saw the Lord who was standing on Garuda Sthitam, who was sitting on Garuda. Shankha Chakra Gada Pani, he was having Shankha, Conch, Chakram and Gada in his hand. Harim Dadrishuhu, they saw that Hari. Tam Uchuhu Sakala Devaha Pranipata Purassaram. All the devas spoke to him. Tam Uchuhu Pranipata Purassaram Uchuhu. This is a Kriya Visheshana Matra. So first, having bowed to him, they spoke to Hari, Vishnu. Prasidanatha daityebhyaha trahinaha sharanarthinaha. Sharanarthiha, he Natha, prasida. Be happy, that is, show us your grace. Anugraham kuru iti. Daityebhyaha naha sharanarthinaha trahi. Protect us who have come to you in refuge. Protect us from the Daityas, from the Asuras. Trailokyam Yajnabhagascha Daityaihi Hrada Purogamaihi Hritaha no Brahmanopi Agnyam Ullangya Parameshwara. Hey Parameshwara, Vishnu, Brahmanaha Agnyam Api Ullangya, having crossed even the Brahma's orders, these Daityas, Brahmanaha can be taken as Veda. So, Veda Neriya Tandi, Abdina, Yataha Atra Nagna Lakshanasya Prasange Eva Yetad Vartate iti Karanat, Vedam, we should take Brahma as Veda. So, Brahmanaha Agnyam Ullangya, having having transgressed the vidhi that is there in the Vedas, the rules that have been prescribed by the Vedas, not following that, Ullangya, Hrada Purogamaihi Daityaihi, the Asuras who led by Hrada and others. So Hrada here refers to, it is the name of one Asura who was leading them, I think. Yeah. Hrada Purogamaihi Asuraihi Naha Trailokyam Yajnabhagaha cha Hritaha. Our three worlds, that is here Trailokyam ityukte Trailokya Adhipatyam cha Hritam ityeva. Our command over the entire three worlds and the yajna bhaga, the part that we get from sacrifice, oblations, have also been completely taken away, seized by these devas, starting from Hrada, who was the ruler at that time. यद्यपि अशेषभूतस्य वयं ते च तव अंशजाः तथापि अविद्याभेदेन भिन्नं पश्यामहे जगत्. But then you said that you are of the form of even the asuras, devas, manushya, pashu, sarvaihi iti. Sarveshamapi atmataya tvameva vartate iti uktam atra stotre. Tari, why do you have to fight with them? So, yadyapi ashesha bhutasya te, even though vayam, we, and they, sorry, ipdi varadu. Ashesha bhutasya vayam te cha tava amshajaha. So, tava inge varno. So, ashesha bhutasya tava vayam te cha amshajaha. Both us, that is the devas, and te, asuras, are all amshajaha. We have been born from an amsha of you, who are ashesha bhutasya tava, who has all of the bhutas in you. Asheshaha bhuta, asheshani bhutani yasmin saha ashesha bhutaha. One who has all of the bhutas in you, we are also part of you only, as the asuras or as the daityas. Tathapi, yet there is a difference between the two of us. Avidya bhedena, because of the ignorance. The level of ignorance that is there in us versus the level of ignorance that is there in the asuras. Because of that, jagata bhinnam pashyamahe. We seem to look at the world in a different manner. Because we do have avidya in us, which is making us look at the world in a different manner. So, yadyapi ashesha bhutasya vayam techa tava amshajaha tathapi avidya bhavena, because we have this avidya, we are seeing the world as different. Swavarna dharma abhirataha vedamarganusarinaha nashakyaha te arayaha hantum asmabihi tapasa vritaha. Tapasa vritaha arayaha asmabihi hantum na shakyaha. So, however, now these see, the Daityas, they are actually following Swadvarna Dharma Abhirataha. They are involved, Abhirataha, they are involved in their Swavarna Dharma. They are practicing whatever is their Varna Dharma. Vedamarga Anusarinaha. They are also following the path of the Vedas very properly. And tapasa vritaha, they are also covered by the tapas that they have done. Hence, asmabihi tapasa vritaha arayaha, these enemies who are covered completely by that tapas, who are protected by the tapas that they have done, asmabihi na shakyaha hantum, it is not possible for us to kill them. Okay, so it becomes very difficult for us to kill them, because they are protected by the dharma that they follow, the Vedas that they follow, and the tapas that they do. Hence, te arayaha, te arayaha, sahatau te eduthukano. Half the time, if I see te, I seem to think it is tava. Tatha nasti, atra tu sahatau te. So, those enemies are covered or protected by tapas, varna dharma, and Vedas. Hence, hantum na shakya. Asmabihi hantum na shakyaha. It is not possible for us to kill them. Tam upayam asheshatman asmakam datum arhasi yenatan asuran hantum bhavema bhagavan kshamaha. He Bhagavan, he asheshatman, one who is present as the Atma inside everybody, you know how the workings of their mind is. So, you have to give some kind of an idea for us with which we can become capable of killing those asuras. So, tam upayam asmakam datum arhasi. You are the most fit person to give us an idea or a plan, upayam, for us. Yena, because of yena upayena, with that plan, tan asurana hantum kshamaha bhavema. Kshamaha, we will become shakya, we will become capable of killing hantum, those asuras. Sri Parashara Uvacha. Munnadiyum there was Sri Parashara Uvacha. Here also he is again saying the same thing, because from this shloka 36 second line, it is the talk of the devas. So you can't put one deva uchuhu in the middle. That is why he says Parashara Uvacha again. So Sri Parashara Uvacha ityukto bhagavan stebhyaha mayamoham sharirataha samutpadya dadau vishnuhu prahachedam surottamana. Saying, having been said thus, so being spoken to in this manner, Bhagavan, what did he do? Sharirataha, Swasharirataha, Maya Moham Tebhyaha Samutpadya. He removed that Maya from his body in the form of Moha, that is delusion. Maya can be of many types here, Brahma, Moha, Viparyaya, many types, right? So he took out only the form that is a delusory form, or that which causes delusion. So Maya Moham Samutpadya. Idu madri. Very similar to what happened in Devi Mahatmyam in the first chapter itself, where Yoga Nidra came out of Vishnu to so that she could kill Madhukaitaba there, right? Or so that she could make Vishnu kill Madhukaitaba. So Swasharirataha Maya Moham Samutpadya, having removed that Maya Moha from his body, Vishnuhu Surottaman Dadau, Tebhyaha Dadau, he gave it to them, and Idam Surottamana Vishnuhu Praha, and he spoke thus to them. What did he say? Maya moho ayam akhilan daityans tan moheshyati tataha badhya bhavishyanti vedamarga bahishkrataha. The moment Maya moha, this delusion comes there, then akhilan daityana tan moheshyati. This Maya will completely delude all of those daityas. It will make them confused. And vedamarga bahishkrataha, they will be removed from the vedamarga. Then it will become easy for you to kill them. Then they become eligible for killing. Vadhyaha bhavishyanti. Sthitau sthitasya me vadhyaha yavantaha paripantinaha brahmanaha hi adhikarasya deva daityadikaha suraha. Yavantaha deva daityadikaha suraha. No. So, this is the first one. He suraha. This take it as sambodhana prathama. So, he suraha. Yavantaha deva daityadikaha brahmanaha adhikarasya paripantinaha bhavanti tavantaha sthitau sthitasya me vadhyaha. So, he suraha, devas, those, whether they are devas or asuras, I don't care. If they are against Brahma's adhikara, that is the running of the world, which has been created by Brahma. So Brahmanaha adhikarasya paripantinaha shatravaha, those who are all enemies or who go against the path of Vedas, the adhikara, the power of Vedas or the authority of the Vedas, or you can take it as those who are against the niyati of the world. If poduva edutundomna, you take it as those who are enemies to the running of the world. Abdimbo. Ana, given the context, again, given the prasanga here, we need to take Brahma as Veda. So anybody who is against the authority of the Vedas, they naturally become vadhyaha, they become a object of killing for me, who am sthitau sthitasya, who is responsible for the sthiti. So I am now engaged in performing this sthiti karyam. So hence anybody who is not following the path of the Vedas, he will become vadhya, whether it is daitya or deva, it doesn't matter. Tad gacchata na bhihi karya. So go away, you don't need to worry, don't fear. Bhihi na karya. Maya moho ayam agrataha gacchan adya upakaraya bhavatam bhavita suraha. He suraha, tad gacchata tasmat gacchata. So go, don't worry, don't fear. Bhihi na karya. ayam maya moha, this maya moha of mine, agrataha gachan, as it goes in front of you, adya bhavatam upakaraya bhavita, bhavita lutlakara, it is going to be responsible for your help, that is, it will help you in whatever manner you want. You don't need to worry about it. So go and forget about, don't fear, you forget about this illusory form or this maya moha which has come out of my body. It will go in front of you and protect you. Upakaraya, it will be of great service for you. Shri Parashara Uvacha Ityuktaha Pranipatyainam Yayurdeva Yathagatam Maya Mohopi Tais Sardham Yayau Yatra Mahasuraha. So, Ityuktaha, having been spoken thus by the Lord, Devaha, all the Devas, Yatha Agatam Enam Pranipatya, they bowed down to Vishnu, who had come then. Illa, actually, appadi illa. Henam Pranipatya, Devaha, Yathagatam Yayuhu. Yatha agatam, as they came, so they left. எப்படி வந்தாலோ அப்படியே போனான்னு அர்த்தம். ஸோ இவ்வாறு கூறப்பட்டு தேவர்கள் சென்றார்கள். ஸோ இப்போ ஏனம் பிரணிபத்திய, they bowed down to Vishnu and they left. Maya moha api, and Maya moha, this illusory form of Bhagavan also. Taihi sardham, devaihi sardham, devaihi sardham, yatra mahasuraha vidyante tatra yayau. We have to take in a lot of words here. So, yatra, wherever all these asuras are present, there Maya Moha also went along with the Devas. Okay. So, yatra maha ityukta pranipatyainam yayuhu devaha yathagatam, they came, they went back as they came. Maya Moha api, this illusory form of Bhagavan also. Taihi sardham, devaihi sardham, along with the Devas. Yatra mahasuraha, wherever the asuras were, all of them went there so that they can face. इति श्री विष्णुपुराणे तृतीयांशे सप्तदशोऽध्यायः. ओके, नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं वाचं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्.